Good morning. Welcome to the morning shift with Anne. What's up? I hope you're good today. Yesterday, I was driving down the street and I was listening to the fabulous and I think great Joel Osteen. I really love that guy. He is a positive thinker. He is a personal development preacher, which I think is good because it's practical advice that we can apply to our lives. And he said something, he said this word. And I thought, this is such a great word. I'm going to start telling myself that I am it. And the word is, the password is supernatural. Supernatural. So it's actually natural, but it's supernatural. So it's something so natural that it's super. I don't know if that makes it. When I heard the word, I just thought, what a beautiful word. And what a word that I should believe in the supernatural. I am supernatural. I'm supernatural. I can make magic happen. It's up to me. I want to believe in the supernatural. I want to believe in magical things. I want to believe in uncanny coincidences because I don't actually think there are coincidences. I want to believe that something great is going to happen every day and very soon. I think it's important that we actually believe that these types of things can happen. We believe that crap is going to happen to us all the time because we have become familiar. But if we imagine those supernatural things, we can become familiar with them too. So I want to encourage you to believe in the supernatural, to believe that magic is possible and that it can happen in our lives and we can have a part in it. If we just believe, I can make supernatural things happen because I am an amazing, magical being. I am a spiritual being with spiritual powers. I just have to tap into them. So I want to encourage you, go out there, have a supernatural, magical day, and I'll see you next time on the morning shift with Anne. Have a good day.